Updating your legal name on YouTube Music is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is changed quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your YouTube Music account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account for which you want to update the legal name. Step 2. Access your account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to your profile. In the settings menu, look for the account or profile section. Click on it to view your current account information, including your name. Step 4. Edit your name. Find the option to edit your name. Enter your new legal name in the provided fields. Double check for any spelling errors to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new name, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to save your changes and confirm that your legal name has been updated. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on YouTube Music should be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the help section or contacting support for further assistance.